Suresh Kumar Surapaneni, Best Neonatologist, Gold Medalist and the first ranker. He has done his MD Pediatrics and one of the few first DM qualified neonatologist in state, and he's completed from Chandigarh Neonatal, and he's a national trainer too. He was one of the few first persons of AP Hyderabad to give therapy in preterm neonate and to take up preterm below 28 weeks and below 1,000 grams from neonatal care. He's a pioneer to the state, start the neonatal follow-ups clinic, and he has extensive service in this industry.
I'm Dr. Suresh Kumar, Neonatologist. I'm very happy to receive this Hybiz TV Healthcare Awards in 2021. This award increases my responsibility and commitment towards society. Newborn care or neonatology is a field which is not known 25 years ago. Now, so many people are there, and Hyderabad has highest neonatal beds. And to be pioneer and to be legend in this field is a great honor. And I thank all the people, gynecologists, parents, and patients who have supported me. And we are willing to do further with the experience and knowledge, and what I gained, I am willing to help back the society in a big way. Thank you very much.